Just another day at school. Nothing better to be almost a half robot. Hey son. Alright, get inside. So, how was school? Oh, it was amazing. We did arts and crafts. I drew a picture of you and Aunt Jenny, Tuck, and of course Uncle Sheldon. And of course, not my real grandma, Nora. I know it's weird. I know they're not really your real aunts and uncles or even grandma, but they're like family to us. We've been through a lot. We we battled some aliens, went on cool adventures, even how I met your mom. See, I wanted to go on an adventure, but Jenny always goes on an adventure. But until the day I really went on my real adventure, and that's when I met your mom. But then I met her again when your aunt accidentally thought she was evil. And then we met her again on an island where we met the Maximals. Wow, I can't believe it. You know, do you think will we ever hang out with the Autobots forever? As soon as they may fix their ship or even fix their space bridges, they might go back home. Yeah, we'll talk about that back home. For now, let's just try to relax. God, that was a good power down. Well, there's still no communication from Cybertron. Hope nothing bad's gonna happen up there. We have a lot of relics up there. Hope they don't steal anything.